Hello friends, today we are making Italian eggplant parmesan hero. The eggplant hero sub is a mouth-watering sandwich that brings together the flavor of classic eggplant parmesan in a convenient and delicious hero or sub form. An eggplant parmesan hero sub is a delicious and satisfying sandwich that brings together the flavor of classic eggplant parmesan in a convenient and portable form. The history of eggplant parmesan, and by extension, the eggplant parmesan hero subs, is rooted in Italian cuisine. While the specific origin of this dish is a bit unclear, it is widely recognized as an Italian American creation that has become a beloved classic.
Today I'm going to show you how to make Italian eggplant parmesan. You've been to the Italian restaurant, had eggplant parmesan, right?
Yeah.
Remember how it tastes?
No.
You don't remember? It's been a
No.
while. Okay, let me make this eggplant parmesan and you tell me if you like it or not, if it's was close or better than restaurant. Okay?
Okay.
So here are the things we need. Obviously bread. Bread has to be Italian bread, sub bread. It's hard from the top and soft inside. Need the mozzarella cheese, need eggplant, need garlic, onion, parmesan cheese, chili flakes, oregano, marinara sauce, garlic powder, salt and pepper, cilantro, and some. So let's start.
In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Italian immigrants brought their culinary heritage to the United States. As they settled in cities with vibrant Italian American communities, they adapted traditional recipes to local ingredients and preferences. Here, add some olive oil in the pan and add the minced garlic and onion in it and cook it until onion is soft. Add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Now cut the eggplants in half inch. Now place all the eggplants on the ventilated surface and season it with the salt. This will help the eggplants sweating. Once onion is ready, now add the marinara sauce in it and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes on low heat.
Cilantro and some uh, basil. Fresh basil here. And cilantro. So we have to now add it to the sauce. You don't need to cook too much, just a little bit. Now our sauce is ready. Now let's work on eggplant patties.
Take 3 plates, one with the breadcrumb, one with the egg, and one with the all-purpose flour.
Okay, now we are preparing the eggplant. Eggplant is already sweated and I have the salt in here, so it's already seasoned with the salt. So here's the I'm gonna dip it in this all-purpose flour. Since it's all sweated, we'll pick up the flour on it. Then it goes in the egg. See, getting it?
Mhm.
Next time you're making it, alright?
Okay.
Getting the egg, then it goes in the bread. Press it nicely so it holds it there. Okay. Now, another one.
The transition from baked dish to a sandwich was a natural evolution. The crispy fried eggplant slices layered with rich marinara sauce and melted cheese were sandwiched between the halves of a hero roll, creating a handheld version of the classic eggplant parmesan. While Indian cuisine tastes good in mustard oil, Italian cuisine tastes good in olive oil. Fry the eggplant from the both sides until it gets golden brown. As Italian American communities spread across the country, the eggplant parmesan sub became a staple in restaurants, deli, and households. Variations emerged with some adding additional topping like pepper or different cheeses. Today, the eggplant parmesan sub continues to hold a special place in heart and stomach of those who appreciate the harmony of crispy eggplant, savory sauce, and melted cheese encased in a hero roll. It stands as a testament to the adaptability and creativity of culinary traditions over time. Now place the mozzarella cheese on the top portion of the sub roll. In summary, the eggplant parmesan sub is a story of transformation, migration, and adaptation. A tale of traditional Italian dish finding a new home and identity in the heart of American cuisine. Now place the bread in the oven at 350 degrees on broil for 5 minutes until the cheese melts.
Now I have the bread top part here with the mozzarella cheese on it, and this is gonna go in the oven on broiling at 350 degree temperature. Leave it there until cheese get all melted. So wait for a few minutes. Bottom part in there also, a little bit toasted.
जो है पानी से भर गया
Now the cheese is all melted. And over here. Another one. I think I need more cheese on mine. Now these three. It is also toasted. Here. One for me, one for Archie, one for Mr. Singh. So now we have the cheese here. Let's put the sauce. See, sauce is hot. Thick. another layer of sauce on it. Put some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Chili flakes. And the Parmesan cheese. Now, just have the bottom part on it. Flip it. Okay, bhai sahab, ready to eat my eggplant parmesan?
I am ready. I am ready. Absolutely. Any time for your food? Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Here. If you like it, take more. This is for Archie.
You want me to try now? Arch and I are same.
This is for Archie.
Actually, I am trying now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, wow. So good, Archie.
Now the moment of truth, guys. Let me see if Mr. Singh is lying.
This is good.
Mmm.
Yummy.
It is good, Archie.
Yeah.
It's better than Italian restaurant.
Much better.
Trust me.
Much better.
Yeah, we always had it. We had it so many times, right? And this is the better than the restaurant. You know, the restaurant uses the frozen one. We have everything fresh made from scratch
This
by
is all
these two
fresh.
hands. Everything
All
made from
fresh,
scratch.
guys. Come to Robbie's kitchen and tell him what do you want to eat. He will cook for you. He's a very good cook.
Yes, sure.
Okay guys, here's the eggplant parmesan sub hero is ready. Enjoy it, and if you make it at your home, please share a picture with me. Thank you for watching.